Let me show you how to change the contact poster on your iPhone. The other person won't see what contact photo you use for them. Now, you can either go into your Messages app here and just tap on that specific contact at the top. You'll be able to see their contact photo. You can change their poster on here by editing the contact info. Or you can also just go into the phone app itself and go to your contacts. Now, let's say this Trevor Android number. You can see that is the contact photo, and the poster are of these aspen trees. I can always edit that contact poster by specifically going to the poster section. Now from here, I can choose to customize if I wanted to crop or change this. But let's say in this case, instead of any of these, I want to choose a photo. So I can choose a photo from my photo library, or I can choose to take one immediately from here. Let's say I wanted to change that contact poster to this. You can see from here, I can swipe over it to let it be black and white or different colors, anything like that. When I'm ready, I can hit the done button and then check mark, and I'm going to choose the avatar specifically is this, whereas the poster is this full screen. So whenever this person calls me or I call them, you'll be able to see that full screen background poster in addition to their avatar, which will look just like that.